I'm not afraid to die on a treadmill. You might have more talent than me, you might be smarter than me, but if we get on the treadmill together, right? There's two things. You're getting off first, or I'm going to die. It's really that simple.
GLM 4.7 through open code. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have GLM 4.7. We're going to have Minimax 2.5. And then we're going to have Kimmy 2.5. But honestly, Kimmy, not cooking. Not cooking. Okay, but let's give that same exact prompt here. This is a good little test, dude. So what I want you to do, shorty, is this. I gotta type it all out to you. No, I wrote it down somewhere. Did I though? That's the real question. No, I didn't. So I'm gonna type it out. I'm gonna say the AI agents GitHub. Under agents, there is the RBI agent PP multi that you see. There should be an ideas.txt in that it's calling. I want you to build a system that populates 10 ideas there of trading strategies Jim Simons would test, and then launch the RBI agent PP multi to run. But first, make a slot machine type fun pump fun hella colors tracker dashboard where I can see the ideas the RBI agent is working on and the stats. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same ads. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion with, I believe, codes the great equalizer, though. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. moondev.com/discord. Message anyone, ask them yourself, and maybe make a friend.